Saturday, January 6th. Learning how to speak with my mouthpiece. Busy day today. It was good. People came in for our sale. They're bringing in their red envelopes. If they got it in January, you can still turn them in until the end of January, so take advantage. Don't let those rot in your pocketbook or wherever it might be hidden, all right? Be sure and turn them in and get your discounts. All right, we've been waiting for this book. I think it's been a hot seller, and we finally got our copies. This is the Woobles Crochet Amigurumi for Every Occasion. 21 easy projects to celebrate life's happy moments. So it looks like we've got a sloth and a octopus and a dinosaur and a cactus cake and a bumblebee cake topper, and there are gazillions more. Nice, thick, lots of great directions. Lots of people have learned how to crochet thanks to Woobles. Look at all those people. Thanks to Woobles, all these crocheters. Love it. All right, the book is $24.99. So I think we have, 6 copies. So come get it while it's hot. All right. Sunday tomorrow. I hope rain came and went. That's good. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow. I will possibly try and get my tree down off my deck and my garland. It might be a good idea to take care of that. Anyway, I think that's really all I have, other than have a peaceful, quiet, contemplative, relaxing, healthy Sunday. All right. I will see you on Monday.